Automotive Locksmith Services. Solving problems, helping people. With advancements in automotive locking technologies, it is more complicated than ever for the modern locksmith to meet the needs of the automotive market. Whether it is broken key extractions, ignition repairs, transponder keys, key duplicating, lock repair, emergency lockouts, 24-hour locksmith, lock replacement, or lost keys. The locksmith of today needs to be prepared for anything. With modern advancements in automotive technologies, the automotive locksmith has to be able to stay up to date and has to keep on hand all of the latest tools in automotive locksmith technologies. This includes a fully stocked locksmith van filled with a variety of different transponder keys, automotive locks, and all of the right tools for the different applications. Part locksmith, part mechanic, part magician, and part superhero. While automotive locksmith services are not always a fun experience because of the inconvenience involved with needing the services, at least you can have the peace of mind knowing that automotive locksmiths are always there when you need them. For more information about automotive locksmith services, be sure to read our blog at www.dallasfwlocksmith.com.